Hi friends, let me show you this electric infrared light wave heater that I received for reviewing purposes. As you can see, it's a nice unit. Let me show you. You can use this heater indoor or outdoors, okay? So you can use it in both ambiances. You can see it's a nice size. It can heat up a room really fast, and you just have to connect it to the regular light outlet, okay? Energy outlet. It comes with the mounting brackets for the wall. It has a remote control. It even brings the battery for the remote and all the installation accessories, screws and anchors and everything. Also, of course, the user manual. So let's install it. We're going to use it here in my office, and let me show you how it looks. Let's go. So friends, we're ready. Super easy installation, and as you can see, we install it so all the office will get the heat. Okay, so we are going to use the remote. You turn it on with this button, and you can see the settings over there. We want the heater to take the ambience to 30 degrees, centigrade degrees, and you can see it turns on immediately. You can change the temperature with these arrow buttons, less temperature or more temperature. And if you hit the display button, you'll see the actual temperature of the room, 24 degrees, and we want it to take it to 30 degrees. So you will use the temperature that you like, okay? And you can select the power, more power or less power. You can even set a timer if you want it to work for 2-3 hours, up to 24 hours, okay? And it has a child lock. So if you want to lock it, so the buttons won't work until you unlock it again, okay? So it's easy to use it, easy to install it. It really feels, you really feel the heat, and you can program the timer, the temperature. It's a great option for your office, for your home, indoor or outdoor. Perfect.